Hello again, YouTube. So today I've gotten a new installment of the Underground Sounds series, and this is the third volume, I believe. Taking some time on Underground Sounds of 1970s. And let's see who makes a return. Barclay James Harvest here, Fleetwood Mac, Caravan, Deep Purple, Van der Graaf Generator, Atomic Rooster, Hawkwind, Jethro Tull, Gentle Giant, got Al Stewart, Egg, Edgar Bowden Band, Paddo, Kevin Ayers, Traffic, Firebird, Status Quo, Stray, Family, Pretty Things, Procol Harum, Wishbone Ash is here, yes, Quatermass, East of Love Sculpture. And we also have McDonald and Giles. Emerson, Lake and Palmer is here. Cressida. Cressida's here too. Affinity. High Tide. Curved Air, Gracious. And the Pretty Things and 10 Years After. So, another stellar lineup there, plus some lesser known names. So, got it. And that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last one, and also the links to my first 4 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all at YouTube, have a good afternoon.